Hello, this is Bilal from Work and Solution Company. Everyone life is so hectic nowadays. So an online or side business is more important than ever. So I decided to make knowledgeable, not even theoretical, plus practical videos on daraz. If I'm talking about daraz, it's an emerging business now. And the best thing is that with a small investment, anyone can start their online store and make money out of it. My company social media accounts are listed here if you like my content, which is only intent to help you people more efficiently. Please like, subscribe, and share my content as well. So I will make it sure we will cover these two questions that would arise. Why important to learn this model, and how you can earn after learning this skill, being a seller or being a virtual assistant. After the completion of this course, you will get the answers, and I will make it sure for you. You will get out of it something after see all of my contents. Now, if I'm talking about this course, online and practical course outlines, which is totally free for you guys, in which I will explain that what is the RAS and how it's work. I will make it simple for you to create a daraz account as well. And the most crucial factors are finding goods, understanding the hunting process, and knowing where to find products quickly, how you can source it, and how you can list it, each and everything. So if I'm talking about this model, it's a emerging model nowadays, and in Pakistan, it was found by Munid Meyer, founder of it, and Mickinson, founder and CEO of current Daraz, and Daraz is operated in five different markets, and we are looking forward to work in Pakistan. So, important terms to know before we start, before we begin working on practicing, we need to understand some keywords. Now, if you choose FBD, which means fulfilled by Daraz, you will enjoy to store your products in Daraz. There is no packaging cost you have to pay, no labor cost, and don't need to be worried about delivery of goods. Each and everything done by the rod. You just store your products at the ras, and then the ras will handle all of these things like handling of inventory, packaging, labor, and deliver the products, each and everything, right? And if I'm talking about the other term, which is FBM, fulfilled by merchant, it is the method of selling where a seller lists products on the RAS but manage store pick pack itself. And it means like you don't have to send the products in the RAS firstly. Let's suppose if you get the order first, and then you can deliver your products at Daraz store, and then Daraz will deliver those products itself to different people, right? So therefore, let me just open Daraz at this time, and let me just show you how it's work. So this is Daraz, you can see by your naked eyes. And now this is the L1 series of categories, this is the L2, and the last one is L3. Okay, and these are some advertisements, you can see by your naked eyes right now. Now if I'm talking about the flash sale is the feature which is time to time change, and people enjoy discount, exclusive vouchers, and so on through this sale. For sellers, the RAS requires that participation in flash sales have at least 30 orders that they have filled in the previous month. Like you being a seller participating in this flash sale, if you fulfilled 30 orders last month. And the Razmall is dedicated channel with chosen range of branded goods obtained straight from manufacturer on their authorized dealers. As you can see, this is a Safeguard, Carrot, Nepal, Dettol, and so on. These are the branded products. Now these are the different categories in front of you. So these are the some recommended products for being a buyer. And if you can see below that, you can see the NTN of the RAS customer care and make money with us. Payment method which accepted by the RAS: easypaisa, Visa, or a master debit card, Union Pay, Jazz Cash. The RAS International, as I told you, 5 countries the RAS is working right now. These are the Facebook and other media accounts, and so on. So this is for today lecture. That's it. Okay, in after that I will let you know in the future how we can make account on the RAS and so on. So this is some basic knowledge for you guys. I need to be focused on the things which is useful for you. Okay, I don't waste your time, don't want to waste your time in different things which is not useful for you. Okay, so this is my YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe, and share if you like my content, and please wait for my next video. Thank you so much.